All right, guys, what's going on? Quentin here with Ignite Junk Removal. We are getting ready to demo a concrete driveway here in Auburndale, Florida. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what we got today. Okay, so this is the concrete pad here. It's definitely seen better days, but that's why we are here. So to get this portion removed out so they can drive from there and get an RV onto that. This whole area here is what we're going to be removing. Right here is the part where we're going to be separating this pad that's staying. The rest of the driveway that's going to be removed. And then as we come over here, this is the original structure of the house that's going to be staying. And this is a portion here that they will be removing. So an issue that they've been having is I guess water. When it rains, water pools up right here and it's going into the house. So they're needing to have this cleared out, and I'm not sure what they're going to be doing after we remove this concrete, but this has to go so they can get that all corrected. So we'll be taking out all of this area here, leaving this pad, and then taking out this area over here. So I'm going to get the camera put down and we're going to get to work. Guys, so we're back here today to get everything finished up. We got a good bit of it done yesterday, but we got started a little bit later in the day, so we weren't able to complete it all. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys where we are to get started, and then I'm going to get it set up so you can see what it looks like as we go through today. So had that 10-yard container filled up yesterday. Didn't take too long, so this much of it is what we've gotten out. Really, it wasn't even too much over here. It's really just that portion there, but that filled up the dumpster for the most part, I would say. So yeah, we're gonna just come back here, pull this part of it up, and then we're going to come back over here and just finish up once we have a little bit more room to turn around and maneuver. So that is our plan for today. I'm gonna get the camera set up and we'll get started. behind me, I got the skid steer loaded up. I'm gonna be coming back to pick up the dumpster. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys how everything looks now that we're done. All right, so got everything moved out. They haven't decided if they're gonna be putting sod or if they wanted to put back concrete or if they wanted to go with some sort of aggregate like fresh concrete or something like that. So didn't have to go too crazy on the finish right now. They just wanted to have that out so now they can see what the space looks like. They're gonna be using this for RV parking. So that's what we got. Got it all taken out. We'll be ready to get knocked out on the next. So